We will now begin the assembly. First, let's assemble magazine A. The railing plate should come pre-assembled with magazine A. If not installed correctly, the tool may not work. The driver guide and magazine are joined together with one bolt. Before tightening the bolt completely, use the pusher part to ensure they are aligned correctly. While the pusher is in place, fully tighten the bolt. After assembly, check to make sure the fasteners move smoothly. Next, assemble the bracket. At this stage, do not fully tighten the bracket bolts. When installing the guide cover, make sure it is aligned exactly with the driver guide. Otherwise, the tool will not drive nails properly. While tightening the bolts, be sure all parts are fitted correctly. Now let's assemble magazine B. Arrange the rails in the correct order. Fix the rails in place using roll pins. Next, install the pusher holder and then the pusher spring. Use a pick tool to hold the spring down while inserting the pin to secure it. Then attach the magazine end cap and insert the pusher. Finally, connect magazine A and magazine B and secure them with bolts. Next is the body assembly. First, install the end cap. Then install the valve set. Insert the parts in the correct order. Use a 7-member wrench to tighten them. Make sure the valve cap is flush and aligned with the body, not sunken too deep or sticking out. Install the cylinder. First insert the bumper. Then insert the piston set with plenty of grease applied. And install the collar part. Assemble the cap components. First, check that the cap is clean and free from foreign material. Insert the spring and the head valve, applying plenty of grease to the head valve. Insert the bolts into the cap. Check the gasket condition and then attach it to the body. Tighten the bolts diagonally in a crisscross pattern, 50% at a time, to prevent part damage and make sure no side lifts up. Remove the piston blade from the assembled body and attach it to the magazine. Attach the magazine to the body and fasten it with bolts. Then tighten the bracket bolts to secure them. Connect an air hose and check for any air leakage. After that, remove the air hose and install the trigger components. When installing the safety trigger, make sure the spring is placed in the correct position. This completes the assembly. Always use the tools safely, and thank you for watching.